Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Woodstock from Peanuts as a witch. It's pretty cute, visual. So stay all the way to the end. You're really going to like it, especially if you're a big Peanuts fan and Snoopy fan, which I am. So before you do though, don't forget it's the Halloween season. Click the subscribe and the like. Basically, that's going to let you know when there's more videos, and it's also going to support the channel. So let's keep going. First thing I'm going to do with Woodstock is I'm going to draw the front of his face. It's going to be like this little downward here, and it's going to swoop forward, back, like so. Right, we got that little for his nose. It's going to pull down tight over here, and we're going to draw a line over here for the back of his neck. Line across because he's going to wear kind of a witch's cape. And we're going to draw the hat above him. That's going to be a curved straight line. Okay. We're going to draw another line over here for the back of his hair. And normally that's kind of dictated through color, but since we're not going to use color, we're going to go like this and like this for the back of his head. Gonna draw a line over here. Okay, so let's start drawing that witch's hat. Like so. And over here, we're gonna draw the pointed tip of the witch's hat. Doing pretty good so far, right? Then I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna have like this little kind of swooping shape going on behind him with the cape. Like so. And it's going to be like a double kind of zigzag line at the end as the cape is folding up. And then we're going to connect it. Okay, doing pretty good. So we're going to draw his back, which is going to be a little round body. He's got this little round little body. I'm going to pull down forward here, back, back. So his hands are reaching forward for the broomstick. And his hands are like feathers. Next thing, I'm going to go over here. Curved line over here for his stomach. And I'm going to draw his tail, his little tail feathers, and they're going to go outward here in this almost square-like pattern, and they're going to come back. Curve here, pulling in more, curve here. His legs are basically little twigs, right? Now I'm going to do is I'm going to go the feet, pulling up. Same thing. We're going to split those feet a little bit, like so, just like the feathers in the hand. And now we have kind of more or less him just kind of sitting on something, right? So I'm going to draw the stick through that. So right here, I'm going to draw the line through, all the way to the end, and I'm going to pull a straight line here. And we're going to pull it back, and we're going to pull it back here. Don't forget, hit up the free gift I put for you in the description. I'm going to curve line here. There's a free gift I put, and that is the free drawing templates. There's 100 free drawing templates that I put. Used to be a product. Now it's a gift for you. That's the first link in the description. So go check that out when you have time. Curve over here. But it's absolutely free. They're made to print. They're templates on drawing. All right, let's go over here. Pull back. Curve line here for the part of the broom. Continue here with another line. You know, it's kind of that part of the broom. It's like that metal part, right? That kind of binds it together. And now we're going to pull back here. And we're going to draw these wiggly lines for the broom. I've seen that as well. There's a lot of different ways to draw a witch's broom, but right now we're going to draw these wiggly lines along here. You don't have to count them or anything like that. It doesn't have to be anything specific, like as far as the number of them. Just, make sure you got these wiggliness going on here in the broom. And that line doesn't have to connect, right? You can just kind of make it like random, bundly. And we're going to do the same thing here in the actual, like where the broom is binded. It's like all that straw or whatever the heck. What are brooms made out of again? I have no clue what they're made out of. But where they're all bounded and stuff, I cannot remember what. Is it straw? Is that like the old-fashioned brooms are made out of? Yeah. Let's go over here. We're going to draw some folds in the cape. It's going to draw like a line here, up. And then maybe over here a line here at the end of the cape as it's changing shape. Like so. You can draw the other foot over here as it's wrapping around the edge, so it's just like a line right there. And maybe draw like a line over here on the hat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a heavier line around the bottom area, maybe like around here, because I want it to look like it's getting some form of light, and light sources almost always come from above. So it's kind of like an illusion of light to draw like a thicker line only at the bottom sometimes. And it makes it look I don't know, a little bit better, just a little bit better overall. It's a style thing. Hopefully you like that style thing. All right, there we go. That's pretty much it. I'm going to draw a lot of peanuts on this channel, so please respond to those, like say hi or, maybe stay to the end of them, because I would like to put a lot more stuff. I want to put like maybe a mummy version of Snoopy or a zombie version of Snoopy or a lot of that stuff. I'm really, really excited to do that, so absolutely I'm going to do that, mostly for my own passion. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like and hit the bell notification when you press the subscribe. That's all. Yeah, and that's it. You guys are awesome, and I want to thank you so much for watching this channel. You are great, and I'll see you very soon, okay? I'll talk to you next time. And what do I always say? Stay spooky.